Welcome back, Crammers, to question 4. Here are the salary in thousands of dollars of 7 different people. Find the mode of the salary. So the mode is the most common. So we can simply find any value that is repeated the most. So 21 is only repeated once. So we can write here 1. 28 is only repeated once. So here it's 1. 29 is only once. 32 is only once. 34 is twice. And 39 is once. Since 34 is the most common, we simply write that down here. Find the range of the salaries. So range is equal to the largest minus the smallest. And the largest is given to us as 39, and the smallest is given to us as 21. That means our range is 39 minus 21, or 18. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.